Adding a Google Wallet shortcut to your device's home screen provides quick access to the app. Here's how to do it on both Android and iPhone. On Android, open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app from your app drawer. Create shortcut. Press and hold the Google Wallet app icon until a menu appears. Select Add to Home Screen from the options provided. Position the shortcut. Drag the icon to your desired location on the home screen and release it. On iPhone, open the Shortcuts app. Launch the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store. Create a new shortcut. Tap the plus icon in the upper right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap Add Action and search for Open App. Select Google Wallet. Tap Open App and then tap App to choose Google Wallet from the list of apps. Customize and add to home screen. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner, then tap Add to Home Screen. Customize the name and icon if desired. Tap Add in the upper right corner. Position the shortcut. The shortcut will automatically be added to your home screen. You can move it to your preferred location.